Saturday mean to you as a fairground owner?
Well, it's always the rehearsal day.
What happens then?
Well, it's to take notice of all the little things that maybe has been missed.
In what way?
When it's a rush and we get adverse weather like we've had just lately, a high wind for the last 3 days, we couldn't try this out or that out. And we try it with our own people, but we must have the public.
What's the favourite?
The favourite ride always the scenic railway, without a doubt.
Is it dangerous at all?
No, not dangerous, but it's a thrill.
Where do you get your new machinery from?
Well, mostly we get the ideas from America and Germany.
Have you got anything new this year?
Yes, we have 2 new tools, as we call them. That's the double-decker ghost train and the Calypso.
You say you get them from America and Germany. Does that mean Britain doesn't make them?
Yes, we make them here, but we get the ideas from abroad.
Does that mean Britain's lacking in ideas?
Yeah, they're lacking in ideas, I'm sorry to say.
Now, what do they do? What does the Calypso do?
Well, the Calypso is a ride that gives 3 motions. First of all, it's as a roundabout, then it's a sort of a waltzer, and then it's got a new patented hydraulic lift that the whole of the roundabout lifts up at an angle of 45 degrees while it's spinning.
Well, I think we'd better go and have a look at that, don't you?
I think it'd be a good idea.
Have you been on this thing behind us?
Yes, I've been on it twice.
Why do you like going on it?
Well, it's something new, and that's why I'm going on it. Try it out.
Did you feel sick?
Yeah, first time.
Do you feel better the second time then?
A bit better. You get used to it after a bit.
What do you like best at the fair here?
Oh, the dodgems.
Why?
I don't really know. Suppose I like driving them.
Do you think it teaches you to learn to drive?
No, I don't expect so.
How much money have you spent so far?
1 and 6.
How much do you normally spend at the fair?
Like 2 shillings.
Is that the normal thing on average?
Yes. The most I've ever spent is 3 and 6.
What do you think of the fairground?
Is that right?
How many times have you been on that machine over there?
Oh, about 6.
6?
Yeah.
Do you feel sick? Have you been on the new machine? The one behind us?
No.
Are you going?
I haven't got any money left.
How much money have you spent?
4 shillings. 5 shillings, I mean.
How much do you normally spend when you come to the fair?
Well, yesterday we spent 3 shillings. 3 shillings and 6 pence.
How much are you going to spend on Monday?
Daddy will give me about 2 shillings on Monday.
How much money have you got to spend?
For Bob,
How are you going to spend it?
I don't know.
How many times have you been on the new machine?
Only once I want to just come down.
Did it make you feel sick?
No,
Not a bit?
not a bit.
Well, I think the Calypsos are the best.
Why?
Oh, well, you have lots of fun on them, and they spin round, so it makes you feel you have a thrill somehow.
Does it make you feel sick?
No?
How many times have you been on the Calypso?
Twice.
Do you like that better than anything else? What else do you
Yes. Well, I like the scenic railway.
like? How much money have you spent so far?
Ooh, about 6 shillings.
How much do you normally spend when you come to the fair?
Ooh, pounds.